What's the meaning of Christen? Christen. Christen.
Christen. Christen. To christen means to give a name, usually in a formal or religious ceremony, to a person or thing. The name given during the christening ceremony is often considered the person's or thing's official or formal name. In Christian religions, christening is also known as baptism, and involves the pouring or immersion of water over the head of the person being christened. The result of a christening is the official naming and welcoming of a person into a family or community, often marking a significant event in their life.